Nali. Maricar kay Nali. Doon pa. Puntahan natin doon later. Nandito na rin tayo. We're going down there.
Where's the way?
Oh, we just need to find a way. Maybe downstairs.
Let's go.
Okay, we go.
Let's find out.
There's nothing like this.
Oh, yeah. So stiff. Down. Here, girl. Go down from here. Yung paggawa ng hagdan nila, ito yung mga makalumang gawa ng hagdan kasi hindi siya magandang maliit siya.
Malamang nung war, hindi ito sinintado.
Hindi, lupa lang.
Ginawa na lang nila kasi ano na, modern times na. Ah, ito, oh.
We
World
go here
War
first.
II experience.
O, para pasukin natin to.
Sabi muna natin.
Okay. The Live Singapore World History. Oh, ito yung aircon.
Oh.
So, guys, can you listen? Year 1985,
Oh,
the
ganun
British.
ang alam nila, oh. Ano yan, lalaki, babae?
Babae man. Ay, hindi lalaki ah. Ganyan pa ang dating suot ng...
Ay, mga British.
Kasi di ba British colony
Oh,
siya?
British pala, parang talda.
Oh, you can see different areas.
Singapore pa.
May kasama kami dito. Ayan. Ah.
That's cool.
Ito naman, sino itong mga to?
British, ay hindi, Malaysian ang mga kanila, ang mukha, Chinese.
Chinese. Ah, ito yung pano. Yun nandun sa labas.
Oo, yung kinuhan
Ayan
natin.
o. Ayan yung totoong, yung ano o.
Ito yung mga kainan nila. Meeting di Abanze.
Meeting di Abansi.
Tignan mo ang name, oh. Berla Lawyer Kang Kana.
Berlayan na ka.
Kana.
I'll just be there with
Lang
you.
ka. Hindi siya Sinto, sabi pa, ano bang tawag dyan dati? So, ito siya. Life of a Soldier.
Ano ito? Wow.
Puntahan na natin to. Kanina. Ah, hindi pa. Hindi pa natin napuntahan to.
Saan?
14.
Soldier. Ayun na.
Gantry. Saan pa lang tayo? Yung tahanan napuntahan na natin. Kuman napuntahan na natin. Itong 1920.
Ah.
Yung iba hindi pa na natin napuntahan. Eto, napuntahan na natin. Trail. Hindi ko alam to. Oh, napuntahan na natin. Overview. Casement. Keeping. Hindi pa. Hindi pa natin napuntahan mga yan.
Napunta natin yung kanina yan. Tanong, di ba?
Hindi, casement. Keeping Singapore Strong Room.
Ah.
Fall of Singapore Room. Wala pa. Casement. Voice of Singapore Room. Yan, napuntahan na natin yan.
Tanong, hindi ko wala. Ito yung ano nila. Yung plano nila.
Eto ang tsura niya dati.
Ay,
sorry.
pinatay mo. Ganyan.
Ano na yung bago doon? Tignan mo, ano ba napuntahan natin kanina?
Wala, hindi naman ito yung kanya.
Bayan mo, ikutin na lang natin, whatever it is. Ayan, what does Blancamati mean? How did the island get its name?
Ay, Pulau Belakang Mati. Teka na.
Nagan na?
Nagan na. Malitan, that means island of those who lie behind. In 1830s and 1840s, a Buddhist community was known to be living in the island. In the late 1840s, a malaria outbreak almost wiped out the settlers. Survivors moved to Singapore.
Ay! Guys,
Guys,
what does siloso mean? Siloso in Filipino means
A jealous person.
Guys, nakita
how
niya,
it is.
what does siloso mean? Siloso is in Filipino means a jealous person.
So, it is true. The siloso is from the Filipino word.
Parang Pilipino ata to eh. May isang Pilipina nagkwandi na parang nakapunta siya rito dati.
Where the last
Kasi
really
magkalapit
is
lang ang
the
Malaysia.
A famous myth about Fort Siloso is that its guns were never fired during the battle. Oh, it never been fired because they were facing the wrong way. Ayun, tama yung sinabi niya among ko.
Na,
sabi ng amo ko, yung mga kalaban nandyan na, pero yung pala, yung mga kalaban nasa likod. So, hindi nila nakita.
facing the wrong way. Merry
Ako.
Christmas from Blancamati, teacher. What
The
kind of action did the Fort Siloso see during the World War?
defense of Singapore were not tested during the war.
So it means this is Blancamati. Oh, we're going down. We'll go and see. We see, of course. We are here. We are here, so we need to see everything. Oh, may TV pa. Aba? A Tango Chain of Command. Sir Thomas Vice.
88,600 troops.
But may Gordon pa rito.
Gordon Ben.
Guys,
Hindi ko kilala yung mga
hindi ko, siyempre hindi tayo taga rito, kaya hindi natin siya kilala. The volunteer. Although,
volunteer pa lang mga yan. Kaya nga, hindi pala yun, sure pala.
sure,
Tong pala
kasi
yun.
di ba naging British colony muna sila.
Australian troops. Oh, meron si Australian troops. British Indian Army.
Sa dagat
Malay
talaga ang pasok
Regiment.
nila.
Oo. Kasi alam mo to.
Wow. Ito naman dito is the Chinese community.
They was also active in business. Also, they are the Chinese people were just business as usual.
Ah,
They are not into war, actually. They're just doing business.
Fall of Singapore. Ito yung Fall of Singapore. Ano nangyari sa Fall of Singapore? Pasukin natin kung ano nangyari sa Fall of Singapore. Mahaba-habang vlog ito, Day. Japan under pressure. When war broke up in Europe, Japan was initially neutral but decided to sign pact in Germany and Italy.
Apartheid.
Kaya pala nangunguna sila noon eh. Kaya pala nung ang laging ano yun, yung World War II, nangunguna ang Germany at mga kwan, may pact pala sila. May pact sila na sumakop ng mga bansa-bansa. Eto. But ito, collapse of France and Holland that later. Nagkon din pala sila no. Indochina. Nandito sila. Mula doon, travel sila dito. The government of the France.
Was led by an attack Prince Konoye, during his cabinet decided to embark on programs designed to gain control of Indochina, Malaysia, Singapore, Taiwan, and the Dutch East Indies.
But it's not Singapore before because only 1965 the Singapore was named, right?
Oh,
1960, 1950 yata. 60, 65. Oo. Is Blanca Mati. I don't know. So, ito naman. In Chinese, the Singapore raised pa to support the war. Oh, Chinese kaya pala din. Oh, see?
1931 to 1937, since 1904, Japan had interest in the South
Actually, Japan is...
Manchurian Railway. On 18th of September
Hindi lang
1941,
naman
the
ang kinan nila eh.
Japanese occupied Mukden, the start of the process that was to lead out white war in China.
Ito naman after the World War. After the...
Japan as a world power. Japan is such a problem. A large population compressed onto a few islands with few raw materials to start coming. So, overpopulated noon ang ano.
Kaya ang dami nilang soldier na pinadala
Japan,
sa
ngayon, they are dying.
Strait of Johore.
The nice
Johor.
Johor fortress of Singapore.
Last
The Battle of Singapore. And the last reinforcement arrived during the latter part of January. The British 18th Division arrived in Singapore. So ito na Andiyan na sila. Japanese artillery in Johor hits Aerodrome. Tinga Aerodrome, Simbawang. Seletar. Ito yung
Mga name before.
Ngayon hanggang naman, andyan pa rin yung Simbawang.
Kaya yung Kalang, nandiyan pa rin yung Kalang.
Asan yung Kalang?
Kalang Aerodrome.
Ay, Kalang pa kayo. Civilian population.
While the soldiers were locked in the battle with the Japanese invader, the civilian had their own war to fight. Aba, ito yung nangyari noon. Kahit naman saan mga bastang Japanese noon eh.
Battle with the Japanese invaders, the civilians had their own war to fight.
Oh, gutom.
Saan?
Yan, taggutom. Nagkikipaglaban sila sa, di ba?
Akala ko may nabasa ka. Oo nga.
Ito naman, a booming trade in 1940s.
1940s na.
Ito medyo nagpa-progress na kasi 1944 natapos ang war, di ba? 45. 1944-45 patapos na yung war niyan. Ito yung mga video pa na, buti na i-preserve pa nila
war.
Talagang-
Years 1942 to 45. Defense Force area in Philippine Forces. Ito yung history nila. Kung gusto mo malaman ang history ng Singapore, you can come here at Siloso. Fort Siloso. Oh, so this is how Singapore.
O sige, palabas na kami. What is in there?
Dito lupatan na.
Mabalin samot. Exit!
Exit. Yeah, exit na eh.
Exit niya. We can go out. Ay, push. Eto. Ano ka naman patoy? Kita naman datoy. Wait. Sandali, sandali. Go. No, wrong. Two voices of Singapore. We're going to enter.
Push.
Hold your hand.
Go,
Go to the other side.
Push.
Ooh. Tama nga yung sabi.
Without air cover.
Okay. December 2, 1941.
The British government's answer to the increasing threat posed by Japan was to send its force to double ship aircraft. Wow.
Wala man lang
It's
tayo.
very
Wala man lang tayong
hard.
kapicture-picture dito.
So,
Picture
ito
ta.
yung ano. Oh, sige.
Mamaya. Pasukin natin. Meron pa dito. We need to enter the inside and I can see what is inside.
So, let's see.
This is the voice of Singapore.
Exit na yan, Day. Exit.
Exit na sa baba rin to. Pwede tayo lumabas dito. Lalabas na kami, guys.
Labas na tayo.
Ooh. Oh, ganito yung exit niya.
Ay,
Saan?
Raga, hindi ako nakaano.
Mag-video ka pa?
Doon tayo, balik tayo. Doon tayo lalabas sa nilabasan nila.
Sandali lang. Tignan natin kung ano itong exit na to.
Push.
Push! Palabas na siya.
Palabas na to.
Sige.
Balik tayo doon, guys.
Ito ang nangyari no.
Oh, yan.
Taggutom. Walang pagkain.
Kaya ayaw ng amo ko. Hirap daw ng buhay. Kaya takot na takot siya pag nakakarinig siya ng war. Parang may trauma siya.
O syempre, baby pa ni nanay ko edita. Ang sapay na iyanak. Ay, naiyanakan. Itatay ko ti nakakuha ng baby pa isuna.
Kailangan ko paubing pa.
Pura siya para
Pag nadubla ka mo, titaba mo, tingin ako.
Okay, guys, we are here again. I want to take a video.
Yeah.